The Meghalaya High Court's 2023 order revoking the powers of the District Council courts effectively halted the handling of criminal and civil cases by these courts. However, after persistent legal efforts, including an appeal to the Supreme Court of India, a significant development occurred on the 2nd of December 2024. The Supreme Court issued a stay on the High Court's order, temporarily restoring the authority of the District Council courts. Reacting to this, Deputy Chief Executive Member of the Khasi Hills Autonomous District Council, Panchangany NSAM, commended the Supreme Court's decision, describing it as just and appropriate. He also emphasized ongoing efforts to bring the interstate boundary dispute between Meghalaya and Assam to the Supreme Court's attention.
High time nakamtajungi ngisnutnat ba district council kementangil anang proof shu nakapor baka don ya ikhtiar ka bas kempa namarum dei tang hakani haman ki cases ki jongi ni survive Supreme Court kabamut legally we are protected kasudon kami yang ikum kinong mi kaman ban skutu kai kanya ka siksi dalit ngai nakalang ka isitan kandiat sni kandiat benai ngiok ban yok ya kasti order ngai hang ni bakadon kami ngi ka isiru ban kamlong aktif na ka bentaka interest ka jungi kita kilong katu kan ki useless ngi sutran bada ka ngi lang jong ka isi illegal advisor jungi astan legal advisor jungi bengkat bodi kayai maka bukut ngas ba ka collective responsibility collective hard work yuan rayu so na ka benta ban protect kabas ngutna menta kalong kayang biang kabisar kadi ka jongi ngating ban ka bisar kam reisu ka jongi na thai pisu tho hi kan bu yang ya ka jingma isnong jongi i raj jongi i kur jongi i dong jongi i kenti jongi i raj jongi hangnong in le le menta ha bagi yang biang kini ngasngu ban ong ba kala desa ka jingnang pen ko bor shu yangi leng bagi order jong sebut kal kumki provision juga 60